Are you really broke and you need some money? Do you have like 4,500 naira that you can spare, which is $9? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1.40 by doing simple tax. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time coming across my channel, thank you so much for coming around to watch my video. And if you're part of the family, I really appreciate your time coming to watch the video again. So if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop videos like this, you won't miss them. All right. So in this video, I want to show you how to withdraw from this platform. So I want to withdraw some earnings so that you can see how you can withdraw from this platform. If you have not joined the people that are making money on this platform, I want you to do so. I'm going to be dropping a video here where I show people how you can join the platform and start earning on this platform. All you just need to join the platform is just 4,500 naira. When you do that, which is about $9, once you do that, you start doing taxes and you're making a lot of money for yourself. Let's dive into it right now while I show you how to withdraw on this platform. So many of you have joined the platform already, but you don't know how to withdraw your money. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money right now. Let's go into it. You can see my phone screen right here. So you can see on this platform I've earned $21.60 here, and I have $11.60 here also. So I'm going to withdraw this right now. So the last time I did video on this platform, I showed you how to add your account details. So if you haven't done so, you'll go to the description box of this video. You're going to see the video I did on this platform. So I'm going to click here right now. Once I click on this place right here, so once I click here, then I'm going to say, okay, you can add your account number. You can see here your account number, you can add it here. And if you're a foreigner, you can also add your account details right here. But now I want to withdraw my earnings so far. So I'm going to just click on withdraw sales here. All right, so once I click on withdraw sales, you're going to see the next thing. So it's going to ask me amount of money I want to withdraw from this sale. So currently I have $21.60. So I'm just going to put $20 right here, $20. And don't forget, I've already put my account details right there. So I'm going to put $20, and you can see my account detail, my OPay account details, what I put here. So what I need to do next is to just click on this button right down here that says submit. So once I click on submit, and we are good to go, it's going to say, okay, withdrawal of $20 withdrawn successfully. That shows that I have withdrawn my money successfully. So I'm just going to wait a bit so that I can get a lot. So once I get the alert, then I can move on. And so I'm just going to wait. I'm going to pause this video and wait. Let's see how many minutes or hour it's going to take before we get the alert. Then we'll continue the video.
2 hours later.
So I waited for 2 hours to get the money. All right, so you can see from here, you can see that I've withdrawn the money. This is what I have left here in the sales wallet, and this is my upost wallet, and you can see I've withdrawn, paid $20. I've withdrawn $20. So let's check it out. So if I come down a little bit, my notification, you can see the money right here. You can see the OPay account credited successfully. Your OPay account has been credited with 10,000 from. So let's see. Let's click on it to see what we have there. All right. So I'm going to click on. You can see this. You can see the transaction here. 10,000 received from them. And you can see success. You can see the name of the sender, Feed Smart Service, Business, Kuda, blah, blah, blah. So you can see this. So I've gotten the money, and it's working. It makes a lot of sense. So if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, I can do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You can also give this video a like if you've gotten any value so far. If you have any question, go to the comment section and drop your question. Let's move away from here. So from here, you can see that it's making a lot of sense. And then, like I said, you can do so many things on this platform. You can put your course on this website, and you can also buy course on this website to learn. All right, you can see so many courses that they have. You can see the ebook. All right, you can sell your ebook here, and you can also promote ebook to earn money. You can copy the link to promote the ebook and also make money by doing affiliates for them. You copy the link. Anybody that buys through your link, you make money from it. So there are so many options that you can make money. So for your daily post, you can come to your upost here to do your daily tax. So come here to do your daily tax, which is 1.40 cents daily. So you just need to do what? Click on, you just close this one, then click on click, you can click any of them, either the YouTube or the TikTok, and after which you've liked the post, and you can also click on click to earn. Withdraw is done only on Wednesday and Sunday, so that's the only day you can withdraw. So, and that Wednesday and Sunday you can't do your tax here. All right, so if today is the first time hearing about this platform, you can watch this video and you will learn more about this platform.